have just learned, the COVID problem is there. We were hoping a lot of beautification will take place from the airport authority. They have been very kind in giving us funds for a garbage treatment plant, Airport Authority of India. At my request, the then Minister Suresh Prabhu and the Airport Authority Board, ably supported by Mr. Malik, gave us something like 15 crores, which is being used by the Waste Management Corporation to manage waste from this area. As you know, many a times bird hits are a big issue. We should see that this particular maintenance is never there. When will it not be there? When there is no garbage strewn around. And I think we are fairly moved towards a cleaner environment, a cleaner area. And once we have moved to this clean environment stage, it is but natural that a modern garbage treatment plant should come up. That also has been tendered. That also will come up in the next 6 to 8 months. So even garbage will be managed. It will be producing gas to be used by certain houses. We are also examining whether the same gas we can turn it into power. So what will be more useful? By the time it comes up, it will be decided and already implemented. Important thing is, as you know, traffic used to come to a standstill moment you reach the airport. Getting inside the airport and outside the airport was a big problem. And especially during peak hours, during school timings, it was one of the biggest problems. At that time, I had promised the people that I will solve this problem. We will have a flyover. Now a grade separator is nothing but a sort of a flyover. So it is ready for commissioning. 99% of the works are ready. Only 1% works are remaining, which will be completed in the next 3 days. Once these works are completed, this evening I am meeting the Honorable Chief Minister. We are deciding a date for inauguration. This also shows that the government is working. Developmental activities are going on. All the departments of the Goa government have been working towards development in spite of managing the COVID problem.